To clinically demonstrate the difference between a structural application and a neurosensory application, we'll demonstrate on the shoulder. I've chosen to utilize a pre-cut Y strip. I could use an I strip or an X strip or one of these SpiderTech rotator cuff shoulder applications. Turn the application over, tear along the black lines, and to begin with, we'll demonstrate a neurosensory application, which means that we will be stretching the muscle, but not the tape. To lay down the base, we tear the base, or section 1, halfway, and we localize where we want to apply the base. In this case, because I'm trying to treat the infraspinatus, I lay the base down on the lateral arm. Once that section is applied, I rub over top of the tape to activate the glue. There's no stretch in the tape and no stretch in the musculature. From there, we take the arm, we elevate it and externally rotate it, and then bring it all the way across to the other side, essentially placing their hand on their opposite shoulder. Then we take the backing, start peeling the backing of the tape, and relieving tension on the tape as we gently lay the tape down in contact with the skin, sculpting the tape along the shoulder blade, directly underneath the spine of the scapula. Wait till about 90% is applied, and then remove the backing completely. Once applied, rub over top of the tape to activate the glue. Do the same with the other projection. Start peeling the backing, relieve your tension on the tape, and without any stretch in the tape, gently sculpt the tape down along the posterior shoulder blade. Waiting till about 90% is applied, then remove the backing completely. Rub over top of the tape to activate the heat-activated adhesive. Then, when we shorten that muscle tissue, you'll see the characteristic wave or accordion pattern form along the skin. Now to demonstrate a structural application for the shoulder. Once again, utilizing a pre-cut Y strip. You could utilize an I strip or an X pre-cut strip or the shoulder spider. But in this particular case, we're going to use the pre-cut Y strip. Turn the application over, tear along the perforated lines that are indicated with the black line. Keep the body part in a neutral position with the patient relaxed. Then take section number 1 and peel the backing halfway. Gently lay the tape over top of the skin. Once half is applied, then remove the backing completely and gently rub over top of the tape to activate the glue. From there, we're going to be shortening the muscle and stretching the tape to achieve a structural application. We bring the arm up in an elevated position and externally rotated, and we ask the patient to hold it in that position. From there, we start peeling the backing of the tape back, fold the backing over, and grabbing onto the end and anchoring where you started, stretch the tape and apply to the skin. How much stretch you place on the tape is determined by how much restriction of range you want to achieve. The last portion of the tape is applied without any stretch in the tape at all, and you wait till about 90% is applied, then remove the backing completely. Once applied, rub over top of the tape to activate the glue. Peel the backing, fold it over, grab onto the end, anchor where you start, pull, and apply the tape to the skin with stretch in the tape while the muscle's in a shortened position, and then the last remaining portion, no stretch in the tape. Rub over top to activate the glue. Then, when coming down into a normal position, the tape having been pre-stretched before applied to the skin, as we go through ranges of motion, the tape will pick up tension to prevent those potentially harmful ranges of motion from occurring.